Welcome to your monthly real estate market update for Kingston and Area for February 2023. Last month, we talked about how we were seeing a return to a normal market, and February has proven that to be true. Historically, the spring market is the busiest time, and it usually starts in mid to late February. This year, we saw a 12.6% increase in homes listed compared to January, and a whopping 229% increase over last February. This is great news for buyers who are looking for more options in the market. You may have seen recent headlines about a 20% drop in real estate values nationally. It's important to understand that that comparison is to that high point in the market last February and March. In Kingston and Area, the average selling prices have dropped 14.8% since that high point. However, the average selling price has been pretty stable around $600,000 since last July. In February 22, the average selling price was $708,000 compared to $603,000 this year. Interesting, we're keeping an eye on waterfront home sales. The average prices are in line with the market, dropping about 14.2% year over year. What's interesting is that the number of waterfront homes listed has jumped from 31 last year to 83 this year. Whether that's due to economic pressures or boomers selling their second homes, now is a really good time to start thinking about buying that waterfront property. New construction in Kingston and Area has been on the rise, especially in the suburbs. Many developers are building new single-family homes, townhouses, and condos to meet the growing demand for housing. This could mean more options for buyers who are looking for newly built homes with modern features and energy-efficient designs. We currently have 2.2 months of inventory, with 527 homes listed versus 160 last year. Technically, that's still a seller's market, and February saw a return of multiple offers, with 30 homes selling over asking price. On average, homes are selling for 97.7% of asking price. So now let's break down the market for different types of homes. Single-family homes account for 80% of the local real estate market, with an average sale price of $634,000 compared to $732,000 last year. The days on market are 20 days, which is still a fairly brisk market considering that many offers have conditional periods, and often those are 10 days. Semi-detached and townhomes have an average selling price of $561,000 compared to $787,000 last year. During the peak of the market, these were the homes that were selling as fast as they could be listed. In February 23 of those homes sold in an average of 16 days. Condos in the Kingston market have had the least price volatility over the past few years, with an average sale price of $448,000 this year compared to $469,000 last year. The number of condos that sold in February 23 was 12 versus 14, so it's a very small part of our market, but an interesting way to get into the housing market. Overall, the Kingston and Area real estate market is seeing a return to a more stable and balanced market. We're still in a seller's market, but buyers are starting to see more options. As always, if you're considering buying or selling a property, it's essential to work with a professional real estate agent who can provide you with the most up-to-date information and help you navigate the market. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next month for another update.